everyone, welcome to this vlog. I just arrived at Magic Kingdom and this is our last day in the park. We only came for a short trip just for the park's reopening. And so we just arrived at Magic Kingdom. Make sure to follow my Instagram and follow my TikTok and watch me spend the day at Magic Kingdom. Space Mountain, there's literally no wait, no one's here. No one here. So right now they're painting the castle. They had a bunch of numbers, you can still see it. They have numbers where marked where they're gonna paint. We just got soaked on Splash Mountain. We've never gone that wet before. Like the timing was like off and we just literally got completely soaked.
Can I grab the group of two? Yeah. We're gonna meet up with this cast member. Yep, come on.
Causing some kind of commotion downstream. Please stay in your boat.
If only you could. Everybody's got a weapon, boys.
If your log has stopped, please remain fully seated. Log motion will resume momentarily.
The lights are on.
If only you could. Everybody's got a weapon.
Alright everyone, we resumed. We didn't get evacuated.
We got back in traffic.
Not get evacuated, but almost did. It's going to start pouring outside. But we're staying because we need to go to Fantasyland. We haven't gone this trip yet. Look at what's that word again? Street. Bathrooms at Disney World, and there's a hidden Pascal up there, and the flowers. We have the frying pan and his satchel.
And witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell.
Now we're heading to the Emporium. We're heading to the Emporium and I'm gonna get a few pins and mystery boxes so I can make a video about that for you guys. Let me know in the comments. Alright, we got all the Disney ducks coming with us. They're coming with us. We have some stuff at the Emporium and we are leaving Magic Kingdom and going out to eat at the Rainforest Cafe. The gorilla's there. actually the end to my Magic Kingdom vlog. We are home now, and we only went to the parks for 4 days, so this is actually my last vlog from my Walt Disney World trip, but I hopefully will be going back soon in November or February or April vacation in 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog series thing from the parks. I can't wait to be back there soon, and I have more Disney videos coming soon. And it's almost my 16th birthday, so I'm getting my game capture card, and I'll be able to post Animal Crossing island tours and just videos from my island and villager hunting, anything like that. So let me know in the comments what kind of Disney videos or Animal Crossing videos you want to see in the future from me. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see those kind of videos, and like this video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!